All right, standing out there in the sunshine, Chef Shahir Massoud. Shahir, I gotta say, you are true to your word, because a couple weeks ago we were chatting, we're like, it's grilling season, we both had this crummy weather, we're like, oh, we're stuck inside, and you promised that the next time we met, you would be grilling in the backyard, and here you are.
I willed it to happen, Terry, and here we are, finally.
Whatever you willed brought intense heat to us, so hey, thank you. Listen, I'm not mad about it, not mad about it.
You're welcome. Now, that said, Terry, so now that summer is finally here, we've earned it, I'm going to provide for you today a little recipe, but more than that, a life hack for the summer. Summer 2026. Every year, Terry, I give you grilling recipes and what to do at the grill. Yeah. But what if you're on the go? What if you're on the go? Little League, the beach, the park. This is something I started to do with Butterball Turkey Franks. You know I love these because you get the flavor of a hot dog for you, the kids, the grandkids, except more protein, less fat, which we like.
Right, yes.
And this summer, I started doing this. I took my son and his buddies to the baseball game, and instead of paying $10 a hot dog, I said, wait, chef, use your brain. I boiled off my Butterball Turkey Franks, got my thermos, little bit of the liquid, a little bit of that boiling water in the thermos. Now watch this.
The dog
Watch
juice?
the steam. Did you see the steam?
Yeah, okay.
Piping hot dogs, take them with you, less fat, more protein, because they're all 100% turkey meat, and you're taking them to the ball game, to Little League, the beach, everything else. That said, I like my healthier hot dog. I'll take a whole wheat bun, a little bit of mustard, and then the ketchup. Now, this is the recipe portion of our day. Usually, I hate homemade ketchup because it doesn't compare to the bottled stuff. However, I nailed the recipe. Little bit of tomato paste, all into whatever pot you got. All it is, tomato paste, water, white vinegar, equal parts, little bit of garlic powder and onion powder.
Okay.
And unlike store-bought ketchup, which is just loaded with sugar, loaded.
Yeah.
2 tablespoons of sugar or 2 tablespoons of a monk fruit. Or a sweetener.
Yeah.
No one will know the difference.
I know the monk fruit. I like it.
I love monk fruit. I even bake with it, all of that good stuff. So now you're in control of your ingredients. It's just tomato paste, vinegar, water, a little monk fruit. Bring it up to a boil. Get one of these at the dollar store, a little squeeze bottle. Okay. There's your ketchup. There's your hot dog. Whole wheat bun, Butterball Frank for more protein. And you're taking it with you. This
are you taking your ketchup to the ballpark too? You're just showing you who's checking your bag. Who's checking your bag?
You're allowed. Look, you're allowed to bring in your own food. Yeah, I'm not smuggling.
I'm not mad about it. I actually love that hack. The only thing I'm a little bit disappointed about was I thought we were grilling and then you showed up with a boiled dog. Actually, do you know what? To be fair,
can I defend?
I like boiled dogs. Not everybody is a fan, but I am a fan.
I think there's a time and a place for a grilled dog, absolutely, and there's a time and a place for a steamy, a ballpark steamy. When you say boiled dog, it's less fun than a steamy.
A steamy Franks. Okay, all right. Listen, I love the idea of Franks on the go. You've got me sold. I'll be packing all my summer picnics with that idea in mind. Thanks so much, Shahir. Great seeing you again.
Great to see you.
Think Turkey is brought to you by Manitoba turkey producers and Butterball. Meal ideas online.